This video will provide some hints to help you get started with VEXcode VR Python. Python is an option in the VEXcode VR program, which is available online on the VEX Robotics site. In the description section for this YouTube video, there will be a link to a Google presentation used for the script of this video. Any of the links contained in the video are available within that presentation. VEXcode VR contains an option to code using the Python language. This video is intended for users who are familiar with the block language, but new to programming using Python. There are several hints which will be covered in this video to help you make this transition. The first place to start is the Knowledgebase Articles found on the VEX Robotics site. Due to the fact that VEX Robotics is adding new products all the time, their website goes through frequent upgrades. Currently, the Knowledgebase Articles can be accessed from the support link, then VEXcode VR, and then VR Python. There are currently a number of articles to help with the Python language, and more are added all the time. Should the site change after the production of this video, the articles can always be accessed from the kb.vex.com address. Start by opening up the VEXcode VR program from the VEXcode download page, or launch directly from vr.vex.com. A very powerful tool to help you start to learn the Python language is the Code Viewer. Click on the Code Viewer icon and the Code Viewer window will open up. Whenever a block is added to the block program, the Python code is automatically created in the Code Viewer window. You can even convert a text project directly from the Code Viewer window. If you select the Convert to a Text Project button, a Save Now window will pop up and allow you to save the current block project. If you do not want to save the project in a block format, simply select the Discard button. Now you have a block program as a text project with the new code added, and the project is ready to try in a playground or add more commands to it. Once you are in a text project, you can access the Python help by clicking on any of the question marks beside each of the Python commands. This will bring up a window which describes the command and explains how to use the command. The help window can be minimized by selecting the arrow icon. Help can also be accessed by right-clicking on any of the commands within your text project. Select Command Help. This will bring up the same help window. Another helpful feature within the VEXcode VR program is the command Autofill feature found in text projects. Let's start with a new text project from under the File menu. One way to access the Autofill feature is to click on an open command line and press Ctrl and then the spacebar at the same time. This will bring up a window with a list of the available commands. Another way to access the autofill is to type the first letter of a command you want to use on a command line. This will bring up a much smaller list of options. For this example, select drivetrain. Entering a dot will bring up the next set of options from the autofill menu. Next, select the drive for command. This will bring up the next autofill options. Select forward to continue with our example. The next syntax requires a value. Enter comma 200 comma. This will bring up the next set of autofill. Select To complete this command syntax, enter a close parentheses. After completing the command, the program can be run in a playground or other commands can be added. The last area to be covered by this video to help you get started with the Python language is found in the Open Examples. There are many example projects available, and they can be selected by category, such as selecting the drivetrain example projects. For this example, select the drivetrain moves and turns example project. This will bring up an example project with a whole set of code already written to be run on a playground. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are many videos of robot competitions and instructions there. Until next time, remember, sometimes it's better to text than it is to block.